How to fix time zone cannot be set manually on Android. First of all, you have to open settings on your Android phone. Now, you need to scroll down and choose the option for additional settings. Now select date and time. You need to try setting the time zone manually. Tap on time zone and you need to select any time zone according to your choice. Once you do that, you need to make sure your Android is running the latest software version. For that, go to settings page again and you need to search for the um, system update or simply the software update. With the help of the search bar, you need to tap on the search bar and you need to make sure to type in updates option. And wait for a while until you see the software update option. Simply tap to open it, and if there is any updates, you need to make sure to install and download the updates. After that, you need to simply ensure that no apps are controlling time settings. For that, you can simply search for the special app access from the settings and modify system settings and disable access for any suspicious apps. By doing this, all the steps your time zone cannot be set manually on Android will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.